Yes, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm quite well as usual. Thank you for asking.
So, ma'am, we are meeting first time. So, may I know about you?
Yeah, sure. As you know, my name is Muskan. I am from Jammu and Kashmir. Regarding my qualification, I have done B.Ed, Masters in Urdu. Apart from this, I have done M.Ed from Kashmir University. So these days, I'm working on English language. My future plan is to join in school as a teacher. That is all
Yes.
about me.
Oh, that's really amazing. Your short introduction. So, should I start my introduction also?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, okay. First of all, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Rajiv Kumar. I am from Bihar and district in Sitamarhi. If I talk about my education, I have completed 12th class. Now I am pursuing engineering second year. And if I talk about my hobby are dancing and playing chess and talk to some new people. As well as I'm running YouTube channel also. That's all about.
Oh, that is great to hear. So, are you in first year or second year?
I have completed second year. Now I am pursuing third year.
Okay, final year. Is it three
Not
years
a
degree?
final year. This engineering is a 4 year degree. It's not 3 years.
Okay, 4 years degree.
Yeah, it's
Mm-hmm.
2 years remaining.
Okay, so today you didn't to go?
Actually, after the fourth semesters, my college is given holidays for 1 month. I came from South India now in Bangalore.
Okay,
I'm here. I'm doing internship.
internship.
Yeah,
So for 1 month.
for 1 month.
Okay. When did you go there?
Where? Bangalore.
When? Yeah.
I came here 10 days ago.
Okay. Now 20 days are left.
Yeah, 20 days. After the 20 days, I will go again my college. That time
So
I did not go to my home.
okay. How is the weather there in Bangalore?
And Bangalore now is just recently rainy season is there. Rain came.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Look,
So do
after the
you like rainy season?
is Bangalore is temperature totally different. Look, that I will show to you. Green and green.
Ah,
Everything is
yeah.
there. Green.
Mm-hmm.
Look, cloud is there.
Greeny, greeny, yeah.
Yeah.
I can see.
So
Yeah,
is
in
there.
Kashmir also, it had been raining for last 2 days. Today it is a sunny weather.
Yeah, rainy weather. Let us go their side also. This is Bangalore. Look at. There is lots of buildings, big size, and there is main road.
Yeah, I heard about Bangalore. This thing, Bangalore is very expensive city,
Yeah, it is very
right?
expensive. I came here now. I thought like that. Oh, no, not a like expensive. I thought like that. But here, whatever I eat outside is too much costly. Oh my God, I never seen like this cost.
Yeah, actually, my husband spent 4 years over there. He told me about it. Bangalore is very expensive city.
Yeah,
Mm.
everything is there expensive. I'm a student. I know how much money we are spending is very costly. Actually, your camera is not coming clean. Um,
I know it is Buller.
you are now
Now,
is okay.
okay.
Now is okay.
Okay. So like you came there, you went there in order to internship.
Yeah, I
So
came here
like
for internship.
your college provided you room or everything or not?
No, I have to pay there is 6,000 1 month. I
For
pay,
1 month.
pay
Oh my
yeah
God.
for 1 month. In 1 month, pay food and living 7,000 and
So, hmm. You
food
had
and
to go
living.
anywhere. You had to go
But
anywhere. Like this time you are in Bangalore, so you had to go anywhere in order to your internship, like in any college, school.
my college sended to the go to as your department, choose your department and go to any company and do internship for 1 month. I need degree, internship degree. That's why I came related to my department. I came here and I'm doing internship here, and I am paying here 7,000 hostel living and food 7,000 and 10,000 for internship. This total 20,000 for 1 month I am spending here. So yeah.
Okay.
Apart from the alag is pocket money, traveling and roaming here and there. Is
Mm,
totally different.
okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
So definitely this time you are spending one day you will get job. Then after that you will not that time you will not remember. I
Yeah.
spent money
Yesterday
here
I
and
went.
there.
Yeah. Yesterday I went one malls. I saw there one notebook. These notebooks I bought from the my home side is 20 rupees, 25 rupees. But there here is that notebook is 70, 80 rupees. Oh my God. It's totally is a heavy price. Totally is costly. I never
Mm.
saw like this price. Everything is there. Is price is too costly.
Mm. Yeah,
Yeah.
actually these days everything got like everything has got very expensive. Everything is expensive in market. Inflation is so high these days.
Compared
Mhm.
to other state is there is too much high.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
But here is temperature is also so much good. Not any hot, not any cold. It's medium. It's living like it's good there.
So one side is not good, but other side is good. Like weather side is so good. You are
Yeah,
enjoying.
yeah. It's not more cold, not more high temperatures. It's medium. It's there. I thought like this. Yeah, it's a good place for living to me here after the
So
college.
have you gone anywhere to have a fun these days in 10 days?
Yeah, I went from one HL company, aerospace company there, and so my friend also here living, but he went some market. Now he went market to go
Mm-hmm.
some food outside. But here is, if I talk about no one samosa. Do you know samosa?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's there 60 rupees. One samosa. Oh my God, this is too costly. From other shops, 45 rupees. Like this price, I
Yeah, like
saw.
in Kashmir, I like get one samosa 20 rupees.
Yeah.
So like same samosa is there 60 rupees.
60 rupees, same samosa. Same
Okay.
samosa. If I talk about North Indians, Bihar size only 6 rupees. You got one samosa.
Mm-hmm.
6 rupees, 10 rupees is maximum.
Yeah,
10 rupees, 12 is maximum. But their side is compared to this side samosa is totally different. Taste is also totally different here.
so your family told you these days you are spending lots of money. I send you like much money as compared to others day.
What did you say? Sorry.
I said like your family said you like these days you are spending much money. You are spending extra money as compared to others day.
My family send it to money. That's why I stay there.
Okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So what is temperature right now there?
In Kashmir,
Yeah.
I didn't check how much, but yeah, it is like variable temperature, not so high and not so cold, variable.
Oh,
Mm.
it's medium like this.
Yeah, moderate temperature.
I want to see is Kashmiri view. Would you like to show me?
Yeah, but how can I show you?
It's window. In window.
No. Okay, do you want to see?
Yeah,
I
actually,
can just show you my locality
I
only.
never see a real talk to time with talking time. I never seen. I saw only YouTube like this, but I talking time I never saw. Never seen like this.
Okay. But yeah, okay, no issue. I will show you. No issue. But my locality I can show you through window.
Ice is there or not?
Are you able to see?
Yeah, yeah, and that's really amazing. Totally
Yeah,
green, green, green. So,
green.
picture coming blood.
Yeah, it is blur. I don't know.
Oh,
That is totally green. Like this is our park. This is courtyard. Like this is kitchen garden. Yeah, it is blur.
uh,
It comes blur. Hmm.
So you are
Yeah.
from what? Totally Kashmir? Yeah, you after the marriage you
Yeah.
went from
No, no, no. Uh, I am living in Kashmir, man, Kashmir. I
before
got
married.
married in
Your house
Kashmir itself.
is Kashmir. Before marriage, your house is Kashmir.
Yeah.
So you are born. So you are born and bottom in Kashmir.
Kashmir itself. Yeah.
That's really good.
Yes.
So why are you learning in English?
As I told you, I want to join any school as a teacher.
Uh,
Yeah. For this reason, I am learning. And second is like English is global language. So, in my opinion, everyone should learn this language. And
okay.
third point is
I
like I felt I faced lots of problems to learn this language, and I
okay.
don't want my children to face the same problem. So for this reason, I want to create English environment at my home so that my children will learn this language in their game. Yeah,
So how many do you have kids?
I don't have any kid yet. Yeah, last year I got married.
Oh, last year you got married.
Yeah, last year I got
So
married.
you are saying like this, children like that's why I'm asking to you. Oh, you're a student. You're a student. Yeah, you're talking about your kids.
No, I was talking about my children. Like in future, I will have
Oh,
children and I will create English environment for them at my home.
oh, that's really good.
Yeah.
So yesterday, have you seen match? You know, India and Pakistan.
No, because I don't have much courage to watch any sad scene, yeah, or match. Yeah, no
So yes,
doubt I support Pakistan, and yeah,
so
but
yesterday,
I felt very bad because India defeated the Pakistan.
India is win the match.
Yeah, India won the match.
Yeah,
Yeah,
won the
I
match.
did. Yeah, I didn't watch, but in morning time I heard from my sister. Like she said, I felt into that depression because I was watching match till 12 o'clock, and after all, Pakistan, like India defeated the Pakistan. Hmm.
So
So
do you have any family in Pakistan connection?
yeah, my mom, like one of yeah, I have related over this. Hmm. In short.
So if you want to go Pakistan,
He's a cousin of my.
you you
He's
can
a
go or not.
cousin of my mom. Yeah.
If you want to go
If we
Pakistan,
get chance,
then you can go or not.
definitely if we get chance to go there, why not? I really want to go Pakistan.
But it is not allowed. No.
Maybe one day.
Yeah. So how much far there to Kashmir to Pakistan?
I don't know about it. How much? Yeah.